Hey students, I wanted to teach you how to find your Google Classroom. So you're going to log into your school email. You do have to be in your school email. And in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see some little tiles. These are the Google apps. Click on them and then find your classroom. Now, chances are your teacher's already set up Google Classrooms. You've already gotten the codes. If you don't, take whatever code your teacher has given you, and what you're going to do is hit the little plus sign. You're going to hit join class and you're going to enter in your class codes right there. Now, if you're already in Google Classes, then you're good to go. You just click on one. I always suggest starting with advisory, and it takes you to the stream. The stream is like the social media for Google Classroom. It includes a lot of information and it's organized by date and time. However, that's not how you should be getting your classwork. In order to get your classwork, go to where it says classwork. This is where your teacher is going to organize your assignments. It will be much easier for you to find your assignments and to make sure you see every assignment by going to classwork instead of the stream. This is my number one tip for students.